Period. Meaning 1. A length of time. Her work means that she spends long periods away from home. Her work means that she spends long periods away from home. Meaning 2. In school, a division of time when a subject is taught. We have 6 periods of science a week. We have 6 periods of science a week. Meaning 3. A fixed time during the life of a person or in history. Most teenagers go through a rebellious period. Most teenagers go through a rebellious period. Meaning 4. The bleeding from a woman's womb that happens once a month when she is not pregnant. She'd missed the period and was worried. She'd missed the period and was worried.